Hey, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a 2-car with baseboards, full chip, polyaspartic top coat, written lifetime warranty. So we did remove a few previous coatings from this floor. There were no extension joints on this slab, and actually there were no cracks. So this color is shadow. So this house has gray with white. The house itself is gray with white highlights. And so this is the color the customer wanted, which matches real nice. So we did round over the edge. And chip that all in. The customer is actually going to come back and fill this void with mastic. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.